So talking about learning, you're also doing online wine classes. I noticed on your Instagram. So can you tell us more
Yes.
about that?
So I've always been really passionate about wine. And like I don't know if I did mention with regards to my target market being the newbies to wine.
Hmm.
And I've also noticed that a lot of people that talk to me ever since I've started with this journey, and obviously because I'm more accessible, they can send me a DM and everything. It has always been about the questions around wine, the questions about the industry. So there's a lot of people who are really interested in learning about wine, interested in understanding the industry, and especially people who are not fortunate to have experienced the winelands, who, they've never been to Cape Town, they've never been to a wine farm before. If they were to buy a bottle of wine, they would buy it because, I mean, they're buying alcohol, but that experience and that appreciation for wine and a deeper understanding for what wine is, they crave that. And I decided, this is also going to be one way for me, not only to promote the brand and the business, but also, to get involved, obviously also trying to add value to our customers and people that we interact with at Siwela Wines. So the online classes are also part of that. But more than that, I would like to go into a project which will get unskilled people to basically have, your what is this? Your hospitality basic training in wine. I mean, I know for a fact that wine is not just only for the consumption of it, but there are people who can benefit from the skills that come with wine and hospitality, and these people can basically get, simple jobs at restaurants or wherever, depending on the training that they get. So in the long term, in the near future, I would like to um, do that kind of a project.
Well, I think that's fantastic. I spoke to somebody a while ago who started off as a waiter in the wine industry, became a sommelier, and
Mm,
now running
mm.
a wine importing business for African wines in the Netherlands. So that path
Imagine.
can happen, right?